Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. Welcome to more Real Estate Moments by Boothe, where my aim here is to allow you to experience the different properties that I get the privilege of getting access to. My name is Akeem Boothe, Moments by Boothe on Instagram, so head on over there and follow me up to see bits and pieces of my life, behind the scenes content, and just overall everything that I do to make these videos possible for you. So we're currently at 450 subscribers and we're trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of July. So just go on down in the description below, hit that subscribe button and tell a friend to watch the Real Estate Moments by Boothe videos, and to leave a comment in the comment section below on your thoughts on the properties that we're going to look at today. Alright, so today we're in St. Catherine. I'm at the Oasis Plaza right now. I just grabbed some cheese patties from the best patty shop in the world, Juicy Patties. And we're heading to Bernard Lodge to look at the 1-bedroom detached home and the studio duplex that's available at Catherine Estate. So we're on our way there now. I'm just leaving out of the plaza, but before I do, safety first. So let's strap up and let's make our way over to Bernard Lodge, Catherine Estates. I'm actually going to split this video into two. So besides my intro, you will see two separate videos, alright? But I'm going to flip the camera around and do a time lapse of how to get there from the Oasis Plaza, alright? Akeem out. Alright, so right now we're at one of the studio duplexes, the model unit for the Catherine Estates properties, and this is what it looks like from the outside. Coming up on your driveway, there's a window to my left, and let's make our way inside. Of course, wipe your feet before you come in. And this is what it looks like. Let me just step back so you can see what this duplex studio or studio duplex looks like. Of course, we start to our left and there is cabinet space for your clothing. It's just a model unit. These don't actually come with your purchase, but it's just to illustrate what you can actually do with the space. It's a nice little sofa here, right here. You just sit down for a while and vibe out when you get home. Like myself, when I get home, I just want to sit out and just unwind for a bit. There's a window right there. There's also another window right there. As I said, these bedside tables and bed is just here for your viewing convenience. They do not come with your purchase of the property. And this by Miss Smith or Miss Hutchinson didn't even leave any of the Burger King for me, boy, I tell you. And I would definitely enjoy some right now. Moving to this side, you have another window. There's actually no light over here, so flick on my light. This is the bathroom space. So the house itself is 285 square feet. The entire lot itself is 2,400 square feet. And this is how you can have a nice little mirror in your place so you can see yourself when you're getting ready to go to work. Of course, fixtures are there for your toilet paper, that is a must. And of course, brand spanking new toilet, that is a must as well. Nice shower finish right there. Mirror, towel rack, power outlet. Let's jump in. Of course, there's noise outside because they're still constructing these places. Big up, my G. Alright. That's one of the construction men right there, still working on the place. And then you move into your kitchenette. You have your 4-burner stove right here. Real nice. Real nice. Power outlet. You know, your blender there and your NutriBullet going to go there. So for when you want to make your juices, your smoothies, your morning shakes, all that jazz is a total vibe. Have your sink right there to do your dishes. And you have a little window right here to look out when doing your dishes. And this is your backyard. Before we go outside, just want to spin around, show you the inside of the property again. Almost fell through the door, LOL. And this is just how this place has been decorated right now. Again, let me just give you another full look of how the place is situated. The studio duplex. And let's walk outside and let me show you exactly what your 2,400 square feet of yard space covers. So it runs from that wall right there, coming all the way up here. Back to this piece of steel right here, and then jets off back to down here. Construction still going on, as I said, and you come down here, that marker right there, and back over to this marker right here. So as you can actually see, even though the studio duplex is just 285 square feet, you have ample space where you can make additions to the side of the house, both sides, or to the back. You can't make any alterations to the front, but you can always make alterations to the sides and the back. And also you cannot make any additions upwards to the additional structure, but when you build on to the back or to the sides of the structure, you can do your additions going upwards. So if you're forward mind thinking, you could get this as a first-time homeowner, do some additions to the back, probably add on 2 to 3 bedrooms to the back, going out and up, live in the front space and rent out the back, and that will cover your mortgage that you take out for this property, and you'll be living an exceptional life. Probably even cover more than your mortgage and leave back some additional funds for you to do other things. All right, so thank you very much for continuing to support Moments by Boothe, for continuing to watch these videos. This has been another Real Estate Moments by Boothe video. We're currently at 450 subscribers, and we're trying to get to 500 subscribers by the end of July. So just hit that subscribe button down below and tell a friend to watch this video, like, share, comment, and also subscribe to become a part of the Momentos family, and so that we can hit 500 subscribers by the end of July. This has been another Real Estate Moments by Boothe. AB signing out.